All of you for your prayers. I know you've been praying, and I was in that hospital. I was watching down over so many people, and I went out to say hello to those people, and I took a little heat for it, but I'd do it again. Let me tell you, I'd do it again. Sleepy Joe Biden's betrayed Black and Latino Americans. If you think he can run this country, you're wrong.
Bharat Pankhania is no stranger to the RT World. He joins us from Bath in the UK. Hi, doctors. Good seeing you again this weekend. Well, Trump is being criticized as we're here for his appearance today, but I want to say he's probably the most protected person in the world with an army of doctors who ensures he's safe and not spreading COVID-19. So would I be wrong?
So it's very interesting to watch that whilst President Trump was high on the balcony, his supporters were on the ground, but many of them were wearing masks. And also, it is in the open air. So on the one hand, it does look like a risk of infection situation. On the other hand, it is a low risk because A, they are in the open air, and B, a lot of them appear to be wearing masks. Now, that's a good thing. I wouldn't really like to have gatherings like this at all because they're unsafe. But on the other hand, hopefully, because it was outdoors and because they were all wearing masks, it won't generate new cases. But it is still unfortunate. Without a doubt, it's very unfortunate.
So if you, a doctor, are saying that it was a low-risk event, how do you explain the criticism by several US scientists that this is just a bad idea, even if it's just optically speaking?
I concur with both. On the one hand, it is low risk, but it is not zero risk. The other risks are that once these people have come together, they're not only going to disperse separately, but they will congregate and they will perhaps go to the bar, the cafe, the restaurant, or other things together. And that makes it a riskier gathering. Because the gathering per se is just one thing that we see, but the things that you do in coming to the gathering and going from the gathering, where you will still be in bigger groups and at that time not be protected by wearing masks and things, that is where risks can increase because you will also be more likely indoors.
Doctor, I have about 20 seconds left with you. Trump says he's feeling much better, but medically speaking, could the president have fully recovered from the virus in such a short space of time?
We will never know because President Trump is very good at masking his signs and symptoms and his proper illness. So he's making remarkable progress, but we will never know how well he is because he's so good at masking these things.
Dr. Pankhania, always a pleasure. Thank you so much for being here with us on TRT World.